you know. And this map gives a three-dimensional illusion on a two-dimensional surface. And this three-dimensional depiction is really illustrated not just through these vanishing point and these perpendicular and diagonal angles. It's the fact that you have the vanishing point. So you have this V, upside down V, right? And the point of the horizon, basically, any object at the point of the horizon becomes relatively smaller, regardless as if that object far away is bigger than the object close to you. So the closer the horizon is, the smaller the object becomes, and it becomes more soft. You know, things that our eyes or optical illusion, we are jaded to this phenomenon.